thanks, and politeness. In Iceland, politeness is powerful. We don't say please as often as you might in English, but when we do say it, it packs a punch. And there are many ways to say thank you, from the casual takk to the more heartfelt þakka þér fyrir. Takk, takk, takk. Thanks. Takk fyrir. Takk fyrir. Takk fyrir. Thank you. Literal. Thanks for it. Þakka þér fyrir. Þakka þér fyrir. Þakka þér fyrir. Thank you, slightly more formal than takk fyrir. Þakka þér fyrir. Literal. I thank you for it. And instead of the t in takk, þakka þér, with the thought, the thorn in the front. Kærar þakkir. Kærar þakkir. Kærar þakkir. Many thanks. Literal. Dear thanks. Þakka þér kærlega fyrir. Þakka þér kærlega fyrir. Þakka þér kærlega fyrir. Thank you dearly. Literal. I thank you dearly for it. Vinsamlegast. 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 Please. Literal. In a friendly manner. And this is formal and usually written on instructions, or it's said in combination with something else. Vinsamlegast gangið ekki á grasinu. Please don't walk on the grass. Gjörðu svo vel. Gjörðu svo vel. Gjörðu svo vel. Here you go. You're welcome. Literal. Do so well. Verði þér að góðu. Verði þér að góðu. Verði þér að góðu. You're welcome. You're welcome.
What can I say except you're welcome?
May it become good for you. Fyrirgefðu. 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 Excuse me. Sorry. Literal. Forgive me. Afsakið. 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 Excuse me. Sorry. Excuse me. Sorry. Literal. Excuse it. That's it for this one. Thank you for watching. If you want more, I teach Icelandic one-on-one. I have online courses for beginners and tourists. All the information is listed in the details below. And thank you for watching. Takk fyrir að horfa. Takk fyrir og bless bless.